the ammunition, raise your voice. I know other ways we be making noise. Do you or do me, baby, it's a choice. Soon as we get into the room, I know just what you like, just what to do. Got that Sinatra look to you. So baby, come fly me to the moon. And love, shut the fuck up and go shut the door. Give you what you know you're wishing for. If you just say my name, boy. Say my out of sight, out of mind. Thought that you knew better. Keep chasing something you won't find. It really doesn't matter. It's easier to say it was what it was. It's harder to believe it wasn't enough. Hey, love, why did you leave without a word? Where did you go?
I don't ever wanna be what I don't have to be, yeah. I die happily, knowing that I never only gave you half of me, yeah. So take me, but take your time, 'cause I don't wanna spend the rest of my life. So just vibe with me, take a seat, let it loose and just ride with me. I just wanna be me, be free, catch a vibe, good company. I just wanna be me, be free, if you want you can come with me. Take me, but take your time, 'cause I don't wanna spend the rest of my life in a world of broken hearts and empty.
Wanna take you for long walks, girl.